Stay right there. Stay right there. Get up close. Stay right there. Get my hands. Keep going. So that's what they call a little thread relief groove on your shoulder there. I like to do that on bigger connections, like from your 3.5s up. If you put that little relief there, it just makes your threading go a lot easier. When you're threading these deep ones, that thread will be coming out, and you don't really want to worry about coming out of your cross feed or anything like that. So that's why I like to put it in there. These are actually what I'm building. These are actually going to be what they call lift nubbins or lift bells. And what I'm going to do, I'm not all the way done with them yet, but I'm going to clean up the back side of them, and I'm going to make me a little handle, and we're going to weld a handle. All these do is actually screw into tools and pick them up. They're actually going to look like kettlebells when I get them done. So I appreciate y'all watching the video. Hope y'all like the video, and I'll get y'all finished product of that, and hope y'all like it. Z-Cut love you. Jesus loves you. Y'all have a good week. Talk to y'all later. Bye.
Done.